Oh, I'm hungry.
I'm tired too.
Sure you can't take another week off of work?
Yeah. It would be better to do a 2-week journey though. We're gonna have to get up early every day.
Alright, what's going on, Max?
Seb has a problem.
I do.
His pack is too heavy. Look at this. Hey, I busted all that up.
Fantastic.
Okay. Where are we? What's going on?
Where are we? What's the name of the place?
I don't know.
We're south of Hanoi.
It's Hangyan.
Hanyen. And it's very spacious. Kind of Florida-esque, would you say?
Yeah.
Maybe? I don't know. But very communist too.
You're my favorite daydream. I'm your favorite nightmare. Everything I see looks like gold. Everything I touch goes cold. Castles in the snow. Here's all I know. Your checkered room and your velvet bow. Your Elvis song in my ear. That moonlit voice that I hear. Now we are cold as breath. We walk along our golden crest. We hide away checkered room and your velvet bow, your Elvis song in my ears, that moonlit voice that I hear.
Pretty nice, huh? Oh, hello. No big. We're just drinking some beer on the side of a mountain in Vietnam. Where we got on motorcycles, so yep. It's cool.
Yeah, whatever. And anyone can do it.